Did you know one man once ruled over a quarter of all humans on Earth? In 1735, the Qianlong Emperor took control of China when the world had only 1 billion people. He commanded 300 million subjects for 60 incredible years. This was China's golden age. Qianlong expanded his empire to its largest size ever, crushing rebellions from Tibet to Taiwan through 10 massive military campaigns. He built the world's biggest encyclopedia with 36,000 volumes and finished the magnificent Forbidden City. His treasury held more wealth than entire European nations, but power corrupted everything. His favorite minister Hessian stole money equal to 15 years of government income. Qianlong refused to trade with the West or adopt their new technology, believing China was already perfect. These fatal mistakes doomed his empire. The corruption and isolation he allowed would destroy China in the next century, leading to wars, famines, and foreign invasion. One emperor's choices shaped the lives of more people than any ruler in history. His decisions still echo through modern China today.